Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back. And I'm going to do a little pocket that I want to do for inside of a book. So I got some cardstock and I'm just going to cut it to size. So this is my size, and then so I want to make some little flaps. So I'm just going to do maybe 1 centimeter score on this side, and then 1 centimeter score on this side. Okay, and then so I want to fold that and fold that. Okay, so now I want to do let's see, so now I want to do, I'll do the same thing. I'll do 1 centimeter on this side. Okay, so just score that. Okay, so now I have scored my 4 sides. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Okay, so I have scored my 4 sides. Now you need to trim off this little square that's here on the corner, and same thing with this little square here. Okay, so now we have, oops, let me trim that a little bit more. Okay, so now we have, oops, so now we have centimeter folded. I folded it in. This side I'm going to fold. Okay, so now we can go ahead and put it in my book. Okay, so here's my book. This is my glue book. Okay, so I want my pocket to go down here, but I want a raised pocket, not a flat one. Okay, so it's that simple, and then just fold them in. And actually I need to trim a little more on here, so I want it to lay pretty smooth here, so I need to trim a little more. Whoops, sorry about that. Okay, trim a little more, because you just want all the corners to lay flat in there. Okay, so that's gonna go there and that would go there, so let's trim this a little bit more and that a little bit. Okay, I think we have it now. Yeah, just want to clean that up. All right. Okay, so now we went in a little bit farther because this one's got to come in. Okay, there we go. That's a little bit better. Okay, so now we can glue this down. So see, I don't like how that's showing, so I want a little bit crisper edge there. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to glue this down, and then now you will have a raised pocket that will have edges on it. Okay, so I'm just going to glue this down. Get my art glitter glue, and it needs to be on this side. So I'm going to just put some glue down. And this side, whoops, sorry, I'm off camera here. And then this side. Okay, and then we're going to glue it down. And I'm just gonna maybe go about right there. Fold my sides in. And voila, there's my pocket. Just push it down. So now I have like a 3-dimensional pocket. And so it's that simple. It's just a matter of cutting your edges. And then I actually could have made, a cut there with my circle punch to do that, but I didn't necessarily want to do that. So now I have a pocket. Okay, and it's 3-dimensional, so it will be raised up and it will hold a little bit more. So like here I have a thick pad of paper. It's plenty of room for that, okay? All right, so I just wanted to show you that quick tip on how to make a 3-dimensional pocket. And I'll do the same thing on the back side. All right, that was it. Just a quick video on a pocket. All right, thanks and have a great day. Bye.